welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be opening up these super cute Boba paper squishy blind bags. And if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you would know that I actually made a Boba paper squishy tutorial on my channel about 2 years ago. It's really crazy and it actually has 1.3 million views right now, and I know a lot of people love that tutorial, so I figured I would make some blind bags. And I personally think these are a very big step up from the other ones. They have more details and they're just like cuter. I actually made these last week, which was supposed to be when the video was gonna go up. These took so long to make, but I honestly think it was so worth it because I actually love them. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started with opening these up. Okay, so here is the box with all the blind bags, and let's just take a second to like pretend we got these from like, let's say, a store or Etsy shop or something.
Oh my gosh, guys, look what just came in the mail. We just got our paper squishy blind bags. I'm so excited, guys. These are so limited edition. I could barely find them. Let's get them out of the box.
Guys, obviously this is a skit. I made these. These are not from a store. So here is how the bag design looks like. It just says a Boba Tea mystery blind bags with some cute lettering and these super cute Boba designs. It's just a plain back. And if you guys didn't notice, there's actually a checklist that comes with it. It just says tea house menu. Right now, I want y'all to comment down below which boba tea we're not gonna be able to get. Obviously, I made these guys so I know which one we're not gonna get, but I want y'all to guess down below, and then when you watch the whole video, reply to your own comment and say if you got it right or wrong. Okay, so the first option is this green matcha tea, which is common, then a orangey mango cream, which is rare, this yellow sweet banana, which says it's special, pink dragon fruit that says it's ultra rare, and a blue raspberry that is limited edition. Okay, let's get on to opening these blind bags. So a little design fail. I put this little scissor thing, but the boba is actually pretty big, and if I cut right through here, I'm gonna like cut the straw of the paper squishy, so I'm just gonna like rip it. Okay guys, here is our first paper squishy. Oh, maybe you saw a little bit. Okay, ready guys? Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. No way. We got blue raspberry. Ew. Blue raspberry, guys. No way we started off the video with a limited edition. Straw is a bit lopsided, but it's okay. So here's how the squishy looks like. So in the front, it has like this little sticker thing that says like the flavor. So here it is. It's so cute. I think there's also something else in the bag. Oh yeah, it says the rarity of it. So we got a limited edition. So cute, guys. Look at this. At the end of the video, I'm gonna try to see if I can find my old boba paper squishies that I made, and we can compare them to see how cute these are compared to the other ones. And we could just put it in the box that they came in. We could just put it right here, and maybe like the little paper too, I guess. So if you commented down below that we're not gonna get the blue raspberry, I'm sorry guys, y'all already lost. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the toe, if you know, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get this one. Comment down below or like in your head what you think this one's gonna be. Let's see and find out. Okay, ready guys? 3, 2, 1. We got the mango cream, which is rare. We literally got the second to most, or what? We didn't get a common, which is good. We're getting lucky here, but here is how the, wait, what is it called? The mango cream one looks. I'm telling you guys, these designs are way cuter than the ones I did 2 years ago. So here's how it looks. Here's the back. It has like this gradient colors going down it, and here's the label with the little mango. So squishy, and it has like the same purple straw. You guys, I love it. Oh, I almost forgot. We have to check off what we have already gotten. Mango cream. Oh my gosh, this pen does not work. Hold on. So we have mango cream and blue raspberry, guys. So if you guessed mango cream in the comments that we weren't gonna get it, you already lost. Again, comment down below if you're still in it, guys. If you guessed either sweet banana, dragon fruit, or matcha tea. So here are the squishies that we already got, and I think, oh wait, where's the bag? I think there's a little paper inside of here too. So yep, it says the rarity, which is rare. Okay, we're just gonna put that in there, and sadly we only have 2 more blind bags to go. Now we're on to our last 2 final blind bags, and guys, I have a little idea. So for the last, or like these 2 last ones, I'm gonna try to open the bag up from the bottom so we could get the little paper out and see like the rarity of it, and then look at the squishy so we can get like a little clue, and then the actual squishy, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's pick left or right. I say we should go for this one. Okay, so let's try to see from the bottom and not see like which one, and like try to get the little paper out. Guys, it worked perfectly. Okay, let's not look at the squishy, and it is ultra rare, so it would be the dragon fruit one. Oh my gosh, guys, we're getting so lucky. We're getting all the good ones. Okay, let's see. So we got the dragon fruit squishy, so let's get it out now. 3, 2, 1. Look how cute, guys. So this is how the design looks. It's a little squished, but it's still cute. Here's a little sticker on it that has a little dragon fruit, and it's super squishy as always. Straw is a little flat. It has like some swirls on it, if you guys couldn't tell, and so many bobas at the bottom. So this is our official 3rd squishy we got from the blind bag, so we're just gonna check that off. And now we're down to our last 2 squishies. Oh my gosh, I messed that up so bad. Here is the squishy. It's so cute, so cute. I've said it's so cute like a million times, so we're now gonna put it in here, and look how aesthetic, guys. Like, this is so adorable. Like, I want to drink all of these right now. Like, I wish bobas in real life would look as cute as these, because like when I get like coffee boba, they're all like brown and ugly, which no offense, they're still cute, but like these are way cuter, you know. I think now we're gonna go on to our last and final blind bag, guys. I feel like this video has gone by so fast, but like I've been so excited to open these up, because like as I said in the beginning, I made these a week ago, so I kind of like forgot how cute they were. Okay, so now it's down to the last one, which will either be matcha tea or sweet banana, guys. If you guys haven't commented down below and you were like, I'm not gonna comment down below, comment down below right now and make your guess which one we're gonna get. And maybe you're still in the game and you guessed the right one, you know, who knows. I want to do the same thing because I feel like it's more of a surprise. Oh yeah, and we need to put this one in here, and we need to make space for the last one, so I'm just gonna open it up from the bottom, trying not to like see which one we got. We got the little paper out. Bruh. Okay, guys, we got it. Drum roll, guys. Ready? You're not ready. Are you ready? You're not ready. Are you ready? Oh, guys, my nail is still blue. I don't know if you could see that because I put blue face paint on the other day. I swear I took a shower. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We got a comment. Sadly, we did not get the special sweet banana boba, but we did get the common matcha tea, which is still super adorable. And now you guys know I did not make this one, obviously. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, wait, let's fix that real quick. So this is how the matcha boba tea looks like. Here is the little sticker like always, and here is how it is. It has like some little swirls. This kind of reminds me of like, you know, like the green Nickelodeon slime that they always like pour on the people like in the little award shows. Yeah, that's what that reminds me of. And it's super squishy and colorful, and it's so cute. Now we finally get to put it next to all of the bobas, so let's just like put them right here. Okay, yeah, no, that's good. So we got the matcha tea, and I feel like we got a really cute collection going on here, so this was definitely a success. Here's a little overview of everything we got in today's blind bag. So first we got the blue raspberry limited edition, literally the rarest one on the list, and we got it first. Guys, how lucky was that? I think it was the mango one, I'm pretty sure, that we got second. So here's how it looks. So cute, obviously. And then I think it was the dragon fruit one. And then finally we got the matcha one. So cute, guys. I feel like these straws are driving me crazy. Okay, I feel like these are such an upgrade from last year's, and I think they're in my closet because I have like a whole bag like of the squishies I used to make in my closet. So I'm gonna go try to find those right now. Guys, I actually found the OG Boba paper squishies that I made. Actually a little, how should I say this, ugly from what I last remember because they're missing some pieces and they're kind of ripped up. So here they are. Two of them are missing the straws, and I mean, these aren't too bad. I have no idea why I literally covered the hole in the straw for the paper squishy. Like, that's kind of dumb of me. I don't know why I did that, but this is how they look. They're actually pretty squishy though, I'm not gonna lie. And I made the tops like elongated so it would give like the little cup effect, but I mean, I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite either. And the straw keeps popping out. I mean, could be worse. And then these two, I couldn't find the straws for them because they were like way in the bottom. This pink one obviously is ripped up. I don't know how that happened, but I mean, it's still pretty squishy. And then this one, I mean, it still has the straw hole, but I mean, it doesn't look as cute as these. So yeah, I would say there's a clear difference between these Boba paper squishies and these Boba paper squishies. So yeah, guys, here's your little comparison. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below if you want an updated tutorial on how I made these Boba paper squishies. And again, if you guessed the one that we weren't gonna get, which was the sweet banana. And don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Also, guys, I wanted to say that I am so excited for Flowoween this year, because if you're a new subscriber, you wouldn't know that I have a little series on here that is called Flowoween, and it's basically I make like Halloween videos. And while I was on my little break, I didn't post, obviously, and I didn't make my little Flowoween stuff, so I'm super excited to post this year, and my goal is to make 5 videos for the series. Hopefully I can manage, because honestly October is one of the busiest months of the whole year for me, because there's a lot of band and school, and I'm just like always busy even on the weekends. So I'm gonna try my best to get those videos out, because I have some really cool ideas that I didn't get to do last year. So yeah, comment down below #Flowoween if you're excited for those. And I might start making them like earlier on, like maybe mid-September, so there's like enough time to upload, you know. And if you guys don't follow my vlog channel, it's linked in my about page, and it'll be linked in the description box. I'm also gonna be making a lot of videos on there. But yeah, guys, again, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.